can you? You bet on horses. It's the same here, but we bet on humans. You're our horses. I did not expect you to finish your race. We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are...